Caution, harmful or fatal if swallowed. Made in USA. So anyways, we went and got Mr. Sam's metal polish. Sam's Premium Car Care. And I got my pant leg all oily the one day and I'm riding on my bike. I got it all over my rear exhaust pipe. So I figured this is a great time to go and try to use Mr. Sam's polish because I was going to use it on the bike anyhow. And I figured why not? We'll take you guys along with me using it incorrectly. Yay. Can you even see it now? No? Yep. So I got like a dirty microfiber towel. Oh, it's been sitting all winter and it spooched on me. That's okay. Get some. Oh, okay. A liberal amount. And I'm just gonna like dab it all over this thing. It's cold, right? Oh, jeez.
There, little friend, good as new. Oh!
Anyhow, I shook it up really good before I did this too, so hopefully, jeez. Wow. I put way too much on this pipe. See, I'm gonna let's go ahead and test on a small spot first that nobody sees. That's my leg on the other side of the pipe here. My God, I have to take some of this off of there. This is not panning out. And since this pipe was or the cloth was kind of already dirty with detail stuff, I didn't really pick it up very good. But it's still kind of there. I didn't really get aggressive or anything. I just tried to get on it. And what I think it's doing is like oxidizing it. I just don't want to get really aggressive with the steel wools or anything yet because the pipe's kind of brand new. So we'll try to use a smaller amount this time in a more localized area. Okay, there we go. All right. I want to try to go in like this because, you know, Mr. Sam. Okay, I have got it to turn black a little bit there. That's what I was looking for. Just start polishing away at it here and take all the impurities out of the chrome finish. As I was really kind of looking for. Because you'll get like bugs and mud and shit all over your pipe anyhow. And why not get your pant leg on it first? It is starting to take it off now though. Let's see if it's starting to make a hazy spot though. I was wondering if it was going to be too abrasive. Nah, it's looking good now. Whoa! Whoa! You can actually see a pretty good reflection in it already. And I haven't even really got down on it real hard yet. I'm sure there's some fancy electric tool for this too, but I am not. Repeat, I am not about to buy something. Because I'm poor. Like, I don't even know how much this Mr. Sam stuff was. I think it was like 30 bucks. But it's a big bottle. 12 fluid ounces. I mean, I don't want to count my chickens I think that actually came off of there pretty good. Hang on a second. Oh, man. Look, there's a big clump down here. Look at this. There's a big clump hiding back there. Anyways, I think it did pretty good. Let's go ahead and wipe that onto my foot lever while we're trying it out. For my rear brake here, we're going. Get some of that in there. Because I rub my foot all over this thing all the time. Oh my goodness, look what it got off the foot lever. Holy jeez. I mean, that's that, like, raw aluminum finish. Whew, it's going to be a lot of work, boys. A lot of work. Let's get a clean towel. Ah, get out of there. Well, I'm not gonna lie. That pipe is pretty well spotless now. There's a little tiny spot I can feel with my finger. I can't really see it. I'll probably go over it a little bit more just to make sure that it doesn't have any of that left on the pipe, but there's other spots in the pipe that feel rough. I'll probably go over the whole thing and clean it all up. But Mr. Sam's polish is like semi-chrome polish. If you saw me use that from like another video, I'd really just use frickin' like Windex or something and clean up the whole thing. But look at the black come off of it when it went and started acting pretty good there. Can you guys see that there? But so far, Mr. Sam's polish, good for your chrome on your exhaust then, I guess, and getting your pant leg that you burned on there off of it. So I would say probably like a good replacement for semi-chrome. I don't even know where you get semi-chrome anymore besides like a motorcycle shop. But Mr. Sam's polish, I would say like an 8 or 9 out of 10 for the exhaust. It left like a little tiny bit of scratches on it, but it's not like it's like damaged. I gotta get like chrome polish for it and like do the thing like that. I should have just stopped and like wiped it off, but it was all hot and I didn't want to do it then. But anyhow, down on like the aluminum stuff down here, whew, man, really goes and draws out like all the bads. And I've been using like a paper towel in between and going and picking up a lot of it. And just going back and forth on this one particular cover right here. And Mr. Sam's polish is not, it's not bad. I mean, the smell's not bad or anything really. It wipes right off when you want it to come off. Is it like secret sauce? No, probably not. Maybe better with a buffing wheel. But I mean, you can see for yourself. I mean, look how shiny it is. The luster is you know, probably the best way to go and put it. I could probably get down on like the transmission top cover over here too and go and make a dent in that. You can make scratches when you use like a paper towel like this as well. Go and double it up or fold it over. And it's probably why most people go and use like a microfiber to go and like do this. And yeah, I've got way too much up there, so I'll just spread it over here now. Somehow I get way too much when I go and do this, because yeah, that's way too much now. So join me while I waste my life and try to polish this top cover. And I'll let you know if Mr. Sam's polish is any different than anything else that I used Well, it has picked up a lot. Let's see what we go and find out once we buff it up here a little bit with the old microfiber. Because these cases look pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I mean, Mr. Sam's not going to make your engine cover new again. But I mean, you can see the reflection in it, you know. And up there too, by the dipstick. I mean, you can see the rest of the garage over there, and then you see my hand over here in it now, which is a lot better than what it was. And it wiped off of everything too. Like I got a bunch down here on this neutral sensor and stuff too, and when you try to go and like wipe it off, it comes right off. The semi-chrome stuff does not come off. But you can see that there's some real kind of heavy pitting that I'm trying to go and like really get out of there. And it's starting to leave a little bit of haze where I went and polished it with that Mr. Sam stuff. So you probably would be better off like using this on a wheel or something. But I mean, look at how much, like, this is the other case. And then this is the one that I just did. Much deeper. And, like, I can't even get to that one. Like, that one, too bad. I'm just going to sit right down on the floor for this one because it's too hot. I don't even care. Cold concrete. So here's a quickie for you. Along with Mr. Sam's metal polish that I'm doing out here today. Freaking get your square, your WD. And when you got a shorty, it blows your freaking exhaust all over your swing arm and your brake rotor and everything. And I'm not really so worried about the brake rotor because that washes off when you go and wash the bike, like actually wash it. Clean the wheels, and we're like in between that right now. And how do you keep your axle and all this other shit from going to hell? Sprays two ways, it goes both ways. Can of WD-40. I can't believe I'm using it. I use it on everything now. I'd never used it before. I'm old and I use it. And we're gonna ever so get like a little bit, ever so diligently, just kind of wipe it on there. And it comes right off. And especially when you got some freaking sweet axle adjusters on the back of your bike, you want to make sure that they're all freaking bling bling, like a pinky ring. You got them shined up, but when they're all freaking smoked from your exhaust, you can't see that. Look how much it's shining more already. Blammo. And you might want to go and check on your old swing arms anyways, because these ones tend to rot out if they get a bunch of water in them. Because there's a little hole right here. There's a bunch of space between the swing arm and that. So coming down here and wiping off any of the rust or dirt or anything, not a bad idea. That's just a little quickie for some more WD-40 uses on your bike. So thanks for coming out and watching me scrub on stuff out in the garage again today. If you see anything that you don't like, or you want to leave a comment on, leave a comment. That's fine. Don't leave a comment. But give me a like or something. Let me know that you want me to go and do more stuff like this, because everybody seems to like me to go and polish stuff. So if you want me to go and like polish out the whole bike, like on this video, and I'll polish out the whole bike, both the wheels and everything. I'm never gonna chrome, never gonna paint. It's always gonna be aluminum. So let me know. Maybe I'll get one of those little worry wheels from Harbor Freight and we'll go and do it that way. Have a good rest of your day.